closely. First to you, Dr. Trivedi. If it was to be said that today what we saw in Varanasi was actually a religio-political spectacle designed with one eye on the Uttar Pradesh elections and the Hindu voter in particular, what would your response be, Dr. Trivedi?
Rajiv, first I would like to congratulate what you have put your main theme of this program, Mandir or Mehengai. Those who conduct a rally in Jaipur on the issue of Mehengai and suddenly in that rally start giving sermon of Hindu versus Hindutva. So that itself is very categorically clear that who wants to make which issue, particularly as far as the political rally is concerned. Now come to today's incidents. Kashi was perpetually filled with divinity. Now it is coming with grandeur. Those who want to see with the political or the election perspective, I think they are not able to understand what this event means. We have got independence, Swatantrata in the last century, but the entire Tantra was composed with the thoughts of our period of Gulami. Now it is coming with the original Indian thought. And when you bow your head with full devotion in Kashi Vishwanath, your devotion connects with Amarnath in north, to Rameshwaram in south, to Somnath in west, to Mallikarjun in east, and to Pashupatinath in Kathmandu and Katasraj in Pakistan. So irrespective of the political entity, you becomes the part of the unified consciousness of India. And not only this, Rajdeep, you connect to the CERN laboratory of Europe, which has discovered the God particle, in whose laboratory the statue of Nataraj, the cosmic dance of Shiva, is there, because Carl Sagan, the biggest cosmologist, has said perpetual creation and destruction of universe is like a cosmic dance of Shiva inspired by the Hindu thought.
So it's a universe thing.
I don't think those political opponents who are trying to put this are trying to see with their minuscule wisdom, minimal wisdom, so they are unable to comprehend what does this mean.
No, I want to ask you though this, is that when you say universal consciousness, you presumably mean universal consciousness of Hindus. Here is the Prime Minister of India who is supposed to represent all religions, all faiths, focusing on Hindu rituals as a public spectacle, some would say, as I said, political spectacle just weeks ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections. And you are telling me there is no linkage in a so-called secular state. Should the Prime Minister of the country be seen at a program which is organized through government money to be seen to be identified with one religion? And does that not make it political? Is that not where the race for the Hindu votes comes?
That's why, Rajdeep ji, I have mentioned CERN laboratory, nothing to do with Hindu. There is nothing to do with Hinduism. Or as far as secularism is concerned, जब ये देश आजाद हुआ तो पहली शहनाई किसने बजाई थी? लाल किले पे उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान, who was born in Kashi. And in the last days, when the government, Congress government थी, they offered कि दिल्ली में रहिए पूरा इलाज कराऊंगा. Same Bismillah Khan said, I learned Shehnai from the various Hindu temples in Kashi, and the last days I want to spend at Kashi. He said, Chana Chabena or Ganga Jal Jo Deve Kartar, Kashi Chodna Jaiye Jahan Vishwanath Darbar. But unfortunately, none of the Surma of secularism uses to go to Ustad Bismillah Khan. And they used to connect with the Aurangzeb Parampara. Because today, if the Prime Minister has mentioned Aurangzeb, और शिवाजी, अगर शिवाजी नहीं होते ना तो काशी का यह स्वरूप नहीं होता. शिवाजी के राज दरबार में खुद कवि भूषण ने लिखा है कि कुंभकर्ण असुर अवतारी औरंगजेब, कुंभकर्ण असुर अवतारी औरंगजेब काशी और प्रयाग में दुहाई फेरी रब की और तोड़े देव देवालय शहर मोहल्ले के रे लाखों मुसलमान किए माला तोड़ी सब की और काशी करबला होती मथुरा मदीना होती शिवाजी ना होते तो सुन्नत होती सब की. हु एस्टैब्लिश्ड हिंदवी स्वराज्य, हु हैज बिकम हिंदू पद पातशाही. अब इनको समझने दीजिए क्या हिंदू है क्या हिंदुत्व है. जो शिवाजी ने किया वही हिंदुत्व था. आवश्यकता पड़ने पे
I will press you one more time. Are you therefore saying that what we are seeing is a Hindu Padpadshahi? Is that what you are saying today? That we have moved from a constitution that we got in 1950 to a Hindu Padpadshahi, and what we saw today was an example of that?
Rajdeep ji, you have raised a very good question. I would like that the question should be shifted to Supriya Sinha ji, जो शिवसेना के साथ हैं, who has the pride being the होल सोल कॉपीराइट होल्डर ऑफ द मराठा एम्पायर ऑफ द हिंदू पद पातशाही। तो आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए वो साथ में है कि नहीं।
नहीं,
हम
मैं
तो
आपसे
पूरी आस्था रखते हैं
आपसे पूछ रहा हूं,
शिवाजी के साम्राज्य और हिंदू पद पातशाही।
आर्मी सिंह, सर मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, मैं उनसे भी पूछूंगा, बट आर वी सीइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यू द राइज ऑफ अ हिंदू पद पातशाही? Is that what we are seeing, where there is this open, overt identification with one religion?
First thing, हिंदुत्व इज नॉट अ रिलीजन, इट इज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ। और औरंगजेब की तरह जब भी खड़ा होगा तो हिंदू पद पातशाही की जरूरत होगी। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं शंकर का भी वो स्वरूप समझना है तो जितना भी समझना हो समझ लीजिए। राजदीप जी, एक लाइन और कह देता हूं, हमने हमेशा सृजन किया है, विध्वंस नहीं किया है। शिव जी के संदर्भ में एक लाइन कहता हूं, मैं मधु से अनभिज्ञ आज भी जीवन भर विषपान किया है, किया नहीं विध्वंस विश्व का आजीवन निर्माण किया है। पर आगे भी है, पर प्रलयंकर हूं महाकाल बन पापों का अवसान किया है और मुट्ठी भर अवशिष्ट भस्म पर आजीवन अभियान किया है। तो जब जैसे स्वरूप की जरूरत होगी भोलेनाथ तो भोलानाथ, और प्रलय की स्थिति उत्पन्न होगी तो प्रलयंकर तांडवकारी नटराज।
ठीक है।